Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a TikTok folder from other people's video. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application, and after that, I'm going to find a video which contain a folder. I'm just going to go to the search button right here, and I'm going to search for old folder, old face folder. Okay, and then there will be some videos that will appear, and I'm going to select one of them. I'm just going to select this video, and if we want to use the filter from other people's video, we just need to click on the effect. Okay, and then we can click on use this effect, and we'll be able to use it on our video. That's easy, right? That's how we can use a TikTok folder from other people's video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!